Hey guys, welcome to another video. It's a great day in North Carolina, and here's the shield. It's fully painted and ready to get mounted, but today we're doing the roof. Hey pussycat. So this is my cat Cassia. She's a sweetheart. Hey sweetie. Hey. Where'd she go? There she is. All right, so now that I've rescued my cat from the Humvee and from the garage, I can finally go back there and open the garage door. See, Kasia is an indoor cat, so we have to be careful about her going out. She's a good girl. All right, let's get this done. The roof. Originally, I wanted it to be made out of one large sheet of metal, aluminum, but they don't get sheets larger than 4 feet by, I think, 96 inches. So that means I'd have to make it out of 2 pieces of 41 inches by 70 inches and then weld it along the center. See, you can see it in this diagram. I would have to bend the 2 edges at the 6-inch mark by around 45 degrees, and then I'd have to weld both pieces together in the center once I place it on the Humvee. Right, so how am I going to support these heavy metal sheets on the roof? I am going to have to build a support structure starting with these side rails. You can see them in the thick red. And there'll be 4 side rails from the A to the B to the C pillars on all 4 doors. And these will help with weather stripping. After that, I'll be building struts, 4 of them, from the C to the B to the A on all sides. And these struts will be made out of angled aluminum, as will the center strut that holds the 2 roof pieces together. I'll probably rivet them and then do some internal bracing, but I'll see how it works out. That should be enough to hold the roof on, and then I can do weather stripping on all sides. Here's Matilda. Look at the camo work I did. Looks nice, right? I installed a striker CB system antenna. I built this on the computer and had it laser cut, riveted it in so that thing doesn't fall off even though it's magnetic. One-inch square tube, 8 feet long, made of aluminum. There's the code. I have another 8-foot strip of aluminum. This is 2 inches wide. There's the code. And I'll be riveting this strip against this strip on the outside so I can put weather stripping on it. As you can see, I have my trusty rivet gun out and a bunch of aluminum rivets, and I got the first rivet in. This is for the driver's side rear door. So here's the set of aluminum strip and tube. As you can see, this is nicely put together. That's right. That's right. So let's get to it. So this is the driver's side. This is done, bolted, riveted. Metal strip, aluminum tube, 1 inch. Bolted, riveted. This thing is really solid. I think I am going to bang my head on that every single time I enter my truck. Oh well. So the side rails are done, looking really good. This is the passenger side. Here's the driver's side. My idea was to take these two aluminum angles and rivet them together as I just did. And then I would make 4 of these and place them on the roof at the right spots and then cut them down to size, right? So there'd be 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ignore these plywood pieces. That's just so that when I'm outdoors, the sun doesn't kill me. All right, so I have 4 of these aluminum struts on the roof. And once I get the actual roof panels that I'm having built out of aluminum, I will place it over these and rivet them to the struts. Let's hope that goes okay. But that's the idea. This is beautiful. So this is 6062 aluminum. It just got delivered. I'm sure you saw that. And it's pre-bent. So I got the right bend over here so that, you know, it's bent along the sides. And now I'm going to install this. How lovely this is. This is about 3 millimeters thick. It's not super heavy. I think the entire shipment was about 70 pounds. All right, Matilda, you're about to get a roof.